Hello student, we will discuss about drug stability and accelerated stability of drug. Uh, Now I am going to discuss how to determine shelf life and expiry date of pharmaceutical product. First we will discuss about stability. Stability of pharmaceutical product may define as the capacity or the capability of particular formulation in a specific container to remain within particular physical, chemical, microbiological, therapeutically, and toxicological specification. Means suppose that this is a container closure system and formulation present on this container. Ability of this formulation to maintain physical, chemical property of that particular formulation product. Drug stability, the purpose of stability study is to provide evidence on how the quality of the active substance and pharmaceutical product vary with time under the influence of variety of environment factors such as temperature, humidity, and light and stability and stabilize is the retest period of drug substance and shelf life for drug product and recommended storage conditions. We can say that stability can be defined as ability of pharmaceutical dosage form. Means stability of pharmaceutical product also indicate how long a formulation retained its original form without any changes. Next is shelf life and expiry date of drug product. Shelf life is defined as it is the time which product maintain 90% potency. Means the length of time till the product remains suitable for consumption. Means suppose that starting concentration of reactant is 100%, so this 100% concentration after some times reduced 90%, means 10% concentration of reactant is lost. Time required for the reactant concentration converted 100% to 90% is also known as shelf life, and it is the date at which product is considered not suitable for use is this called as expiry date of the drug product. Next is drug degradation. It is the inability of particular formulation in a specific container to remain in particular chemical, therapeutic, and physical toxicological specification. Next is the then what is the need of stability study? First one is shelf life of the drug. Shelf life of the drug product, determination of shelf life of drug product is very important and very necessary for the drug formulation. Next is storage condition. During storage condition, how many long period drug are stable? Drug are stored. Means during storage condition, drug product degrades or not, how longer period drug product are stable on container. Next is container closure system. Container closure system is also the need of stability study. Next is prevention of expenses. Prevention of expenses is very necessary for the formulation of new drug. Means maintain the expenses of the drug product. Next is essential quality attributes. Maintain the quality of product is very important for the new drug substance, and quality is necessary for the drug product. Safety point of view for patient. Safety during the production, several chemical reactions during the storage and product drug metabolism and toxicity effect is harmful for the patient, and maintain the safety of the formulation. Next is quality varies with time. How many time period required to maintain the quality of the drug product? Importance of the stability study. First one is chemical and physical degradation of drug substance may change their pharmacological effect, which is then affecting on their therapeutic and toxicological effect. Next is pharmaceutical products are used therapeutically, used on the efficacy and safety, and they should be suitable. Maintain of quality until the time of uses or until their expiry date is also the part of the stability. The quality should be maintained under the various conditions that pharmaceutical encounter during production, storage in warehouse, transportation, storage in hospital, as well as in the home. According to USP, types of stability. Mainly 5 types of stability. First is chemical stability, condition to be maintained, chemical integrity and labeled potency. Next is physical stability. Physical stability means check the appearance, palatability, uniformity. Next is microbiologically. Condition is maintained is sterility. Next is therapeutic. Drug acting remains unchanged. Next is toxicological effect. Means no increase the toxicity of the new drug product. Types of stability testing means what is the storage condition for the stability study. First is long term, means called ambient. Storage condition 25 degrees Celsius plus minus 2 degrees Celsius and relative humidity 60% plus minus 5% relative humidity. Minimum time period covered by data at submission 12 months. Next is intermediate, means controlled. 30 degrees Celsius plus minus 2 degrees Celsius as storage condition and 60% relative humidity plus minus 5% relative humidity in 6 months. Next is accelerated, means short term. 40 degrees Celsius plus minus 2 degrees Celsius, 75% relative humidity plus minus 5% and minimum time period covered by data at submission 6 months. Thank you for watching.